What is going on YouTube? Thomas coming at you with a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to make $100 a day or more with Facebook ads. Alright, so you guys probably hear it all over. If you're looking at this video, you've probably come across videos similar to this about Facebook ads and how Facebook ads is revolutionizing the way we advertise currently today on social media and in general. Facebook ads has a insanely powerful targeting tools available to you where you can literally laser target people in the exact demographic that you need, interests that you need. Like, it's just perfect, right? If you're selling a product for this group of people, you can literally go and find them and they will show the ad to those people only, right? So I'm going to tell you guys the top 3 ways that you can make $100 or more per day with Facebook ads. So number 1, guys, is drop shipping. This is actually the way that I started making money with Facebook ads initially. And essentially what I did is I created a Shopify store, and it really doesn't cost that much. I'm going to go through the kind of the pros and the cons of each one. So it does not cost that much to get started. You do have to pay for the monthly plan. However, you can get a 14-day free trial to build your store. And then eventually you need to test your advertising, test your products, all that type of stuff. So in Shopify is a really weird thing. You can start off with literally like almost no money and make it, but you can also start off and just spend so much money and just never get there, right? And you will get there if you keep working at it, but you're going to spend a lot of money before you do make it, right? And you have to make all that money back. Because the problem is, it's all about your ad and the product, right? So if you're doing all this stuff, you're not just going to make an ad and it's going to work first try. People get lucky and people do well if they take a course, for example, or they have more knowledge about what product's working, how to make it all look good, everything really look great, have a back-end system in place, you can do really well initially, but most people don't. So you kind of learn as you go, which is kind of what happened to me. I learned as I lost some money early on, eventually made some money back once I found products that were winners. So it's kind of a weird thing, but when you keep working at it and you keep improving, you keep adapting, so you start feeling, this product's not great, let me change the product out. Change the product, it's a great product now. Oh, my landing page isn't great, or my product page, I gotta fix my description. Oh, all of a sudden you do something and now you're getting higher conversion rate, more sales, and you're making a lot of money, right? And you just scale that up. Once you start making money, you just keep putting that more money back in and you'll make more and more and more. That's essentially what the idea is, right? So guys, now the way it works, right, if you buy a course, obviously it's going to cost more money up front. You can do it from nothing. You can start off with $50, and if $50 you go on, you sell a ton of product, and all of a sudden now you have $150. You're starting off great, right? Most people don't do that, but you can. So guys, I'm telling you, I can't give you a specific amount of money because you're going to hear people saying 1,000, 2,000, 500, whatever. It's going to be up to you, and each person's different in terms of their learning curve and how it works. But I assure you, if you have some money to invest and you're willing to stick it out and you're willing to improve and keep grinding, watch some of my past videos. I talk about this stuff in the past. Find other resources out there on the internet to improve. Read books about how to increase or how to write better copy, increase your conversions. You will eventually get to a profitable level, and then you can start cranking out $100 days, $200 days, $1,000 days. Trust me, it can happen, and people do it all the time. People are doing it every single day. The number 2 way to make $100 per day with Facebook ads is actually a social media marketing agency. You've probably heard this it's kind of a popular topic right now, currently, on YouTube and online about, how to make money with Facebook ads. The great thing about this is that you don't need to invest. Like, you literally don't need to invest, in anything initially. However, right, you do have to kind of know what you're doing. You can learn as you go. It's a risky move if you find the right person and the right company to work with. Yes, but most people, someone's going to hire you to run their ads. Essentially, that's what it is. Social media marketing agency is when you're going to be running the ads for someone. So let's say you run their Facebook ads for them. You increase their sales and their business. You're increasing their customers, whatever, all that type of stuff, right? And they'll pay you, for example, let's say $1,000 a month, whatever the numbers could be. That's actually, you can actually make much more than that if you're doing a great job and they like you and you're bringing in a ton more sales. But essentially, guys, that's the way. You don't need any money to start. You literally will contact these companies, these businesses, local. They could be local businesses. They could be whoever, online, whatever. You contact them. You figure out if they're doing anything on social media. If they're not advertising on Facebook or even Google, what you can do is you can contact them and say, hey, I'm good at this stuff. I can do it for you if you pay me this, or I will do it for free the first month. Let me know what you think, and then we can discuss kind of a monthly payment or whatever you want to, however you want to work it out. That's a great way to start. But you do need to know. You need to have an idea of what you're doing with Facebook ads. You don't necessarily have to have a ton of experience, because you can kind of learn as you go. But you should have an idea of what you're doing. So when you have to talk to those people, talk to those owners, and you can actually market yourself and essentially convince them to use you in their business, right? So that's another great way to make $100 per day or more with Facebook ads. Now the number three is actually a way that I'm also currently using right now, is when you have your own products or affiliate products. So you can have a funnel in place. So you can have a Facebook ad as the first part of your funnel. So you have a Facebook ad, and you go to an opt-in page, the product page, whatever you want to have, like a warm-up page, a product page, and they go into your autoresponder, and then you make money that way. So essentially, what the key is here is finding that right combination. So once you have it down, right, once you have those pages down, once you have the right product in front of those people, the proper targeting on your ads, it takes some time to develop, or you can get it right the first try. It varies, each person, right? You essentially can put $5 in, get $10 back, or put $5 in, get $7 back. Do the math, right? And then eventually you just put more and more in, and you're making more and more back, and you're just cranking out money each day. Now here's the thing: you do need to invest, because you're probably not going to hit it again on the first try, right? The better you get at it, right, and the more you start, adapting and testing this, testing that, testing these audiences, this age or whatever, you can, refine your ads and make, ads or make targeting, essentially get better for you over time. So you start to make a higher return on that initial investment, but it does take time. So I will say that the number one way here, if you don't have any money, would be a social media marketing agency, but you do need to have some knowledge or be willing to learn on the spot as you go pretty quickly, so you can adapt to the marketplace and then provide the results those companies want. But if you're looking to start a dropshipping store, you can make a ton of money with that. And if you're looking to just do an affiliate marketing business, or you have your own product to sell, you can do a great job with those things. Have a funnel in place, and then you just have to find that right, perfect match of each page kind of congruency, each level to level, and then eventually that funnel just starts churning out money, and eventually you build something that is going to make you money off of the initial investment, and then you just keep putting more back in until you're over $100 per day, and then you can just scale that to the moon, and you can make a ton of money doing that. So guys, those are my 3 ways essentially to make $100 per day or more with Facebook ads right now. Sorry. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. We will be making a ton more videos like this. Let me know what you want to see as well, because I'm open to making videos specifically to what you guys want to see. Like this video if it helped you out, and I encourage you to go try out one of these methods as soon as possible and start making money today. Peace.